Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna let you know the penalties for the late payment on credit card on Capital Bank or Capital One. Now to begin with the procedure, let's understand. So when is actually a credit card payment considered a late? Now according to the CFPB, a credit card payment is generally considered late if it's received after 5 p.m. on the day it's due. Now based on the time zone indicated on a billing statement, the agencies also address payment due to date that falls on a day and a certain credit card company isn't receiving or accepting the mail, like a holiday or a Sunday. Now in those cases, a payment usually won't be considered late as long as it's received by 5 p.m. on the next business day. Your credit report contains information about your credit card, including your payment history and the status of your credit card account. Your credit score is calculated using information from your credit report as well. So basically, you might be charged a late fee for missing a credit card payment according to the CFPB. Your credit card issuer can charge a fee anytime you're late, including the very first day, and you may also continue to be charged interest on your unpaid balance until your card issuer receives your payment in the full. So if you leave a higher amount of your balance unpaid, you'll own more interest than you did pay off more, and likewise your interest rate could also go up if you are at least 60 days late on your payment. For example, your credit card issuer might increase the interest rate. So likewise, the penalty for late payment on credit cards differs from the types of credit card that you have. So accordingly, you could go ahead and read the terms and condition, and you could also go ahead and calculate your penalties. So that's how you can calculate your penalties for late payment on your credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.